So this is one of the rarest iPhones na nahawak ko. Heto yung pulang iPhone which is one of the rarest color variants dito. Bakit rarest ba to? Because this iPhone was actually the product red. So bossing, anong ibig sabihin ng product red? The product red was actually the product line ng Apple para sa kanilang campaign na International AIDS Day. So di bale nagsusupport si Apple sa International AIDS Day, kaya ginawa dito is product red para spread awareness sa AIDS mismo. So sadly, yung product red was discontinued in the iPhone 15 lineup, so wala ng product red sa iPhone 15 na lineup, which I don't know why Apple discontinued it, pero yeah, heto na hawak natin yung pinaka-rarest na color. But sadly, nabasag yan ng sister ko by accident. By accident. So, na-accidente niya nalaglag and ayun. But anyway, interesting talaga yung product red lineup na to. And I really love the color. And at the same time, pwede mo tayo flex kasi heto pala yung pinaka-rare na iPhone variant. So, Kuya Jerus, meron ka ba nito? Patega joke lang. So, this is Tech Dolphins. Stay awesome. If any more questions, comment down below. And don't forget to like and follow.